Good morning and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. Here's my teddy boy. And Gija, come here. My puppies that I love so much. And this is my kitchen. And this morning, it is, I don't even know what time it is, Michael. Doesn't have the time because I'm defrosting something.
It's like 10 o'clock
But anyway,
in the morning, Central Time.
This morning, I'm going to show you guys how to make a scrambled egg with pepperoni. I took 2 slices of pepperoni and I toasted it, a cinnamon raisin bagel. You see it's nice and toasty.
Toasted,
and I
toasted.
took 2 slices of pepperoni. I said, what if I scramble? Never made this before.
Nope.
You know how pepperoni, they have their own fat. But Michael, you gotta back up because this is gonna jump.
Back it up, back it up.
And I said, what if I made, some scrambled egg with pepperoni?
That's right.
You know, and the pepperoni is salty already.
Yeah.
So we want to be careful. I took the eggs and I scrambled the eggs. Here they are. But the only thing that we have to do is make sure that we don't put a lot of salt. And you see how the smoke is coming up? Because, that's from the pepperoni that is cooking at a very high speed, very fast.
Very fast.
I took 2 eggs, put them in here. Scramble a little. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of salt like that, like a little flake.
All right.
And then I'm going to put a little bit of cracked pepper.
That's right. Cracked
and now
pepper.
I'm going to move this again.
That's right.
And what we're going to do, we're going to throw the eggs.
Throw it in, throw it in.
We're going to move it fast because like I said, it's cooking at a very high speed. See, as you can see.
That's right.
And you go and flip. And flip. We're almost done, guys, but not quite.
Flip it up, flip it
and while that's cooking there at a very high speed, because we have that, I lower it to 7.
Okay, 7,
I'm
everybody.
gonna take I'm gonna take the cheese out.
Cheese it up, cheese it up.
And I'm gonna throw that cheese in there like this, and I'm gonna try to cover.
That's right.
The egg.
That's right.
And now while I do that, what I'm gonna do now is.
Yes.
I'm gonna flip it because I want all this to get melted.
All right.
Yeah, like that. You see that? You like that?
Oh yeah.
I'm into. Oh, but it gets really hot. You know that? So what I'm gonna do now?
Excuse me.
We're gonna put this
Woo.
on that bagel.
That's right.
I'm not gonna put a lot. And if you want the other half, Michael, that's for 1 bagel. And then it has. It has pepperoni, 2 pepperoni chopped up, and scrambled eggs on a cinnamon raisin. And then I'm gonna take this.
Oh, let me take a little.
Hold on.
Oh,
it's okay.
Everybody wants to see it.
Oh, this was a little piece of turkey sausage. You see that I made? You can, Michael, put this back on again.
Oh yeah.
So people can see. You see, I cut him, and I cook him and fry, nice and fried. That's a turkey sausage.
Oh yeah.
And this is going to be for my husband.
Cut it up, cut it up.
And this is very easy to make.
That's right.
It's delicious.
Very quick.
Exactly.
Simple recipe for breakfast.
And here you have
pepperoni and cheese bagel egg sandwich.
Pepperoni. Pepperoni is pepperoni, egg, and cheese. Pepperoni, egg, and cheese. PES on a cinnamon raisin. Right? Pepperoni, egg, and cheese. Scrambled pepperoni, egg, and cheese on a cinnamon raisin bun. And this is what it looks like. And I hope you like it. Why don't you guys go ahead and do a double Dutch and copy that and make it. And if it doesn't come out, it might come better than that one.
That's right.
But I just wanted
ingredients
to make this
down
for
below.
you so you guys can see that, we don't have to eat the same thing every day. We can always make something different. So you don't get tired.
You can change it up.
Exactly. You can fluctuate it and change it up. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, and like us on Pinterest, on Tumblr.
Hit that
on
notification bell, everybody.
Like Michael said.
So you can get our updates about our videos.
About all the videos.
You'll get the little ding, and you'll get notified every time we upload.
So, Michael, I need you to go and take this for that. And with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, by the way, before I forget, don't forget to go to the Patreon account down below. And you can click on it if you want to donate $1 or not. If not, if you want to get the best dog food in the world, also go down below and click on livesupabundant.com/for-all. That will take you directly to the website. And from there, you can decide anything that you want to do for your little guys and friends. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. Love you all. Peace.